everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my deep fried crispy chicken in deep fryer, and I'm also going to show you what I use to marinate my chicken. So sit back and watch, and I hope you enjoy the recipe. So in the bowl I have some chicken legs and chicken thighs, so I went ahead and washed that with some lemon and vinegar. After that, once you've washed your chicken, go ahead and season with some salt. You can use sea salt or table salt, whichever one you have. 2 Maggi cubes. I went ahead and also used some curry powder, basil, onion powder, chicken seasoning, ginger, garlic, and some vegetable oil. You can also add some chili if you want, but I don't really like my chicken spicy when deep fry my chicken. Go ahead and add that chili is optional. So to make it a bit hot, I went ahead and added some white pepper. Once your chicken is marinated, allow it to sit in the fridge for approximately 1 hour. If you can take it up to 2 hours, that will be very good, because then you're going to infuse all the flavors into your chicken. So after an hour or two, go ahead and boil your chicken. And when you put your chicken in the pot, you just want to make sure that you get some of the water from the chicken, because chicken has water. And then just make sure you don't add too much water in there, because you still want your chicken to taste very nice before frying. So after about 30 minutes, as you can see, the chicken is nicely boiled. So just remove it, save your stock, and then we're going to proceed to frying. For this recipe, I actually used my deep fryer because I wanted that crispy effect. But if you don't want to use a deep fryer, you can go ahead and use a frying pan to fry your chicken. Make sure you taste for seasoning. You might want to add a bit more salt there, depending on your taste palette. Now I'm going to be frying the chicken. I always like to use an onion when frying my chicken. It just helps to enhance the flavor. So that's a top tip there. Whenever you're frying your chicken, your meat, just go ahead and use the onions. It's just going to help to enhance the flavor. But this step is optional, you don't have to do that. So at this stage you can go ahead and remove your chicken, but for this recipe I wanted my chicken nice and crispy, so I went back and fried again for another 5 minutes. I really like this air fryer that I'm using. This deep fryer. As you can see, when you fry the chicken, it actually comes with a cover so that the oil doesn't splash everywhere. So at this stage I went ahead and removed the chicken. As you can see, it's nice and crispy there. So that's how I wanted my chicken for this recipe, but you can go ahead and fry it less or fry it more depending on how you like your chicken. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our chicken is ready. You can go ahead and have this with some jollof rice, you can have it with fried plantain, you can have it as a snack, however you want to have it. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, give me your suggestions, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you, bye.